call. You've counted down the days. You've packed, planned, and paid. Now it's finally here, embarkation day. But one wrong move on day one can trigger a domino effect of stress, surprise charges, and even cruise denial. Sounds dramatic? It's not. Because the savviest travelers out there, those who've done this 10, 20, even 50 times, never make these 10 common mistakes. And today I'm going to show you exactly what they avoid, and why you should avoid them too. Stick around, because mistake number 7, it's something even experienced cruisers admit they've done and paid dearly for. Let's make sure your cruise starts stress-free and money-smart, full of smooth sailing. If you're new here, hit subscribe for weekly cruise tips, hacks and secrets the cruise lines don't advertise. Mistake number 1, showing up too early or way too late. Your boarding time isn't a suggestion, it's a traffic control strategy. If you show up too early, you're stuck in lines like it's TSA on Black Friday. Too late? Well, you risk being denied boarding, getting rushed through security, and missing out on early ship perks. Smart cruisers arrive 30 to 60 minutes after their assigned window, just enough time to avoid the early mad dash, but still early enough to board the ship stress-free and relaxed. Bonus tip, if you're flying in, never arrive the same day as your cruise to avoid heart-pounding airport drama. Mistake number 2, forgetting or misplacing your documents. Honestly, this is not the time to be paperless. Cruise terminals don't care if your phone died or the app glitched. Savvy travelers carry printed and digital versions of all documents: boarding pass, passport, IDs, vaccination proof if required, and a credit card for incidentals. Keep it all in one easily accessible folder. Think zip pouch or travel wallet, not your bottomless tote. True story, a couple in line ahead of me in Miami missed their cruise because they only had a copy of their passport, not the original. Don't be that story. Mistake number 3, packing essentials in your checked bag. Your luggage won't reach your stateroom until later in the day. If your meds, swimsuits or phone charger are in there, you're stuck waiting or honestly buying overpriced replacements on the ship. Smart cruisers carry a small lightweight backpack with medications, sunscreen, wallet and cruise documents. Include a phone charger, swimwear, a change of clothes and any must-have electronics. Bonus if it's waterproof. Also, always tag your luggage before arriving at the port. The porters at the dock are not your personal assistant. Mistake number 4, wearing the wrong clothes. Think of embarkation day like airport travel. You want to be comfortable, adaptable, and easy to move around in. Dress smartly. Savvy travelers always wear breathable layers, slip-on shoes for quick security checks, and pack a light sweater, just in case the ship's AC is cranked up high. Avoid metal belts or tight waistbands. You'll regret it after the second security checkpoint and long hallway walk. Mistake number 5, ignoring free perks on day 1. Embarkation day is kind of like a cruise scavenger hunt, and, honestly, the experienced voyagers who explore win. Limited spa raffles, 2-for-1, drink specials, onboard credit giveaways, and last-minute dining upgrades disappear by dinner. Seasoned passengers head straight to the spa or the specialty dining desk to ask about day 1 perks. These perks aren't advertised loudly. You really have to go looking for them. Hey, Here's a tip: before you buy a full drink package, ask about bubbles packages or soda perks. Sometimes you can snag a better deal on day one, so it's definitely worth checking out these options first. Mistake number 6 is delaying the muster drill. It's mandatory, and honestly, you'll be hounded by the crew until you get it done. So just get it over with quickly. These days, most ships make it super easy to complete the muster drill. You can usually do it right on the app or by watching a short video, then just check in at your assigned muster location. Simple as that. Experienced voyagers knock it out the moment they board. Then they enjoy the ship without that reminder every 20 minutes. Delay it, and you'll get flagged by staff and possibly called to your room. Not the start you were hoping for. Mistake number 7, not sanitizing at all. Cruise ships are like floating cities, and thousands of hands touch the same surfaces. Buffets, railings, elevator buttons. It's a germ party everywhere. Smart cruisers always carry sanitizer, use it liberally, and avoid buffets until they've thoroughly cleaned up. Norovirus spreads incredibly fast on cruise ships, and it's most common in the first 48 hours. Trust me, you do not want your vacation to include a quarantine situation. Mistake number 8. Not budgeting for day one charges. Cruise ships are designed to part you from your money, and they're really good at doing it from the moment you step on board. So, drink packages, Wi-Fi photo packages, and, fancy dining all show up right away. If you're not tracking, you could easily rack up hundreds before sunset. Smart cruisers always check their onboard account in the cruise app before bed on night 1 and question anything suspicious immediately. Mistake number 9, skipping the ship map and daily planner. Wandering aimlessly might seem cute until you miss a sail away party or a hidden free tasting event. Before you set sail, download the cruise line app. It's great for event schedules, dining hours, and deck plans, or grab a printed version at guest services. Savvy travelers really do plan that first day with precision and care. They focus on things like making specialty dining reservations, registering kids for clubs, and booking those shore excursions early on to ensure they get the best experiences. So think of it like cruise chess. The moves you make on day 1 really do set you up for a smoother, more enjoyable and relaxing rest of the trip. Mistake number 10, running straight to the buffet. Look, we all love free food, but the buffet on day 1, it's honestly the most chaotic part of the entire ship. Crowded tables, long lines, and cold fries await the newbies. Smart cruisers hit the lesser-known spots like pizza stations, cafes, and even the main dining room, which is often open and much calmer, offering a more relaxed dining experience. Plus, if you're sensitive to motion, the buffet being on a higher deck might make you feel queasy even before the ship sets sail. Consider this when planning your meals. So let's recap. Don't show up too early or late. Bring your documents. Keep meds in your carry-on. Avoid overspending on day 1. Plan ahead, dress right, sanitize, and skip buffet madness. Embarkation day should feel like the start of your dream vacation, not the most stressful part of it all. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever made any of these mistakes? Drop your story in the comments, and if you haven't yet, give this video a like and subscribe for more no fluff cruise tips, travel hacks, and destination guides every single week. Thanks for watching. Coming up next, 11 cruise money mistakes to avoid. Turn on notifications. You won't want to miss